CAD drawings are essential in many industries. But as a developer, your focus is on your solution, not on rebuilding a CAD engine from scratch. Meet Ares Kudo, the most advanced online CAD platform for 2D drawings in DWG format. With over 300 features, it offers all the 2D tools you would expect from AutoCAD or similar programs, but online and at a fraction of the cost. The features of Ares Kudo can either be embedded inside your online solution as an iframe or be used as a platform to build your features and application on top. Either way, the interface is fully customizable via XML and CSS for you to make it your own and sell it under your brand. Beyond CAD features, the Ares online drawings automation technology lets you batch process tasks like converting PDF to DWG, or generating floor plans, sections, and elevations from Revit or IFC files automatically. Drawings can also be updated automatically when the BIM model is modified. Ares Kudo's API includes support for C++, Lisp, and COM to migrate desktop-based solutions to the cloud more quickly. Alternatively, a REST API is provided for web-based languages. Ares Kudo offers a flexible cost structure ranging from entry-level options for startups to a fixed yearly cost per user for larger deployments. Contact us to get started with our SDK today.